You've spent hours scrolling through robot vacuums and you're more confused now than when you started. That's not your fault. In 2026, there are over 150 tested models on the market, all screaming best robot vacuum, and most of that noise is just that, noise. But here's what nobody is telling you. 3 of these 6 picks are quietly being discounted right now. One has a reliability problem that reviewers buried in paragraph 7, and the number 1 pick just earned the highest composite test score of any flagship ever benchmarked by Vacuum Wars out of every robot vacuum they have ever tested. By the time we hit number 1, you'll know exactly which robot belongs in your home, and which ones to skip, no matter how good the deal looks. All product links are in the description. Let's start at number 6, and here's the honest truth right up front. This one comes with a warning label. The iRobot Roomba Max 705 is iRobot's big comeback. It's their first ever robot vacuum with real LiDAR navigation, meaning it finally maps your home the way Roborock and Dreame have been doing for years. Its precision vision AI obstacle avoidance never tangled in over 50 consecutive test runs. Socks, cables, pet waste, it avoided them all. The auto wash dock gives you up to 75 days of completely hands-free operation. And uniquely in 2026, it supports Apple Home via Matter, which almost no robot vacuum in this category does. For anyone inside the Apple ecosystem, that matters. On hard floors and tile, the mopping performance is genuinely excellent, among the best iRobot has ever shipped according to independent reviewers. Suction is rated at 13,000 PA, which is strong by Roomba history, though it's on the lower end compared to newer competitors. Here's where it gets complicated. After 8 months of testing, reviewers at Best Robo Vacuums called it the most error-prone Roomba they have ever used. The app is slow. Screen transitions take over 10 seconds on a flagship phone. Firmware updates can take 30 minutes and occasionally fail. On carpet with pet hair, performance was below expectations. And the price dropped 38% from launch in less than 8 months, which tells you something. Best for iRobot loyalists who primarily have hard floors and want US-based phone support. If that's not you, keep watching. Oh, dice. Current price. Around $799. Number 5 is for people with pets. Serious pet hair. The kind that turns into tumbleweeds under your couch. The Roborock Qrevo Curv's signature feature is the Duo Divide dual channel brush. 2 parallel short bristle rollers with spiral blades that direct hair toward the center intake instead of wrapping around the brush. Independent testing showed over 80% pet hair pickup on carpet with 0 tangles, and that claim is backed by both SGS and TUV laboratory certification. That's not marketing copy, that's a third-party stamp. Suction comes in at 18,500 PA, which placed it in the top tier among models at this price point. The AdaptLift chassis tech lets it navigate up to 4 centimeters thresholds, meaning it doesn't stop dead at your area rug or door frame. Mopping uses dual spinning pads that self-clean at the dock with hot water. The multifunctional dock 3.0 handles everything automatically, emptying, washing, drying, and refilling for up to 7 weeks without you touching it. Navigation is LiDAR-based and reliable. Vacuum Wars previously ranked the Qrevo Curv as their number 1 overall pick before the X60 came along. That's the level of competition we're talking about. The one honest downside, it occasionally tries to climb surfaces it shouldn't and can get stuck. Mirror surfaces also confuse the navigation sensors. The MSRP sits at $599, though it regularly drops to between $100 and $300 at major retailers. Best for multi-pet households on hardwood floors who want a near-flagship robot that handles hair without ever needing brush maintenance. Number 4 is the value story of 2026, and Vacuum Wars named it their best value pick for May 2026, which is a big deal considering they test against 150 plus models. The Eufy E25 Omni runs 20,000 PA of suction with a hydrojet roller mop system that continuously refreshes the mop roller while it cleans, rather than dragging a dirty pad across your floor. The full Omni station self-empties, self-washes, hot air dries, and automatically dispenses detergent. The 3-liter dust bag goes about 75 days between replacements. Obstacle avoidance scored 4.38 on Vacuum Wars scale, well above the category average for this price tier, making it competitive with models that cost hundreds more. It uses an AI-powered RGB camera combined with LED assistance and LiDAR mapping. The corner rover arm extends the side brush and roller mop toward edges for better corner coverage. The honest limitation, the mop lifts only 10.5 millimeters when crossing carpet, compared to 21.5 millimeters on flagships like the X60. On thicker rugs or mixed flooring with frequent transitions, that gap shows. Battery runs about 110 minutes in combined vacuum and mop mode and up to 216 minutes in vacuum-only mode, solid stamina for most homes. For buyers who want near premium performance without the flagship price, the E25 Omni right now represents the clearest gap between what you pay and what you get. Benaltum, best for. Homeowners in the $700–900 range, with mostly hard floors and occasional area rugs, who want a fully automated dock and strong mopping. Number 3 is where things get interesting and a little complicated. So let me give you the full picture, because this one requires context most reviewers skip. Mova's original P10 Pro Ultra was VacuumWare's best value pick for most of mid-2025. It held that title for months. Strong obstacle avoidance, reliable navigation, solid cleaning under $400. The Gen 2 is the upgraded version of that same robot, and it arrives with meaningful improvements. But it also arrives with trade-offs that matter. Mova is a sub-brand of Dreame. They share production lines, and this robot packs 26,000 PA of suction, higher than the Roborock Qrevo Curv and the Eufy Omni E25. On hard floors and real-world testing, both VacuumWares and Tech Gear Lab confirmed it handles heavy debris like dried cereal and pet kibble with near-flawless results. Deep carpet cleaning scores were above average as well. The Gen 2's biggest upgrade is mopping. Dual spinning pads now operate at 260 RPM with 12 newtons of downward pressure. The dock washes the mop pads with 212 degree Celsius water, hot enough to kill 99.9% of bacteria. Detergent is dispensed automatically. The result is noticeably cleaner floors compared to the Gen 1. Here's the trade-off. VacuumWares flagged after weeks of testing, and this is the part that changes the decision. To fit the upgraded mopping hardware, Mova removed the RGB camera system that gave the Gen 1 its class-leading obstacle avoidance. The Gen 2's obstacle avoidance scored significantly lower as a result. Hair tangling also increased, and real-world suction efficiency fell below average, despite the higher PA rating on paper. VacuumWares concluded that for most buyers, the original Mova P10 Pro Ultra is still the better all-around robot, and that model stays under $400. The Gen 2 earns number 3 here, specifically, because its mopping upgrade is real and its suction is genuinely powerful. But you need to know what changed. Best for. Buyers who mop far more than they vacuum, have minimal floor clutter, and want 212 degree hot water sanitization in their dock. If pet hair and obstacle avoidance are your priorities, choose the Gen 1 or go up the list. Number 2 earns its spot by doing something rare. Flagship performance at a price that most flagships can't touch. VacuumWares tested over 100 robot vacuums for suction, and the Ecovacs Deebot X8 Pro Omni finished in the top 10. Not top 10 for its price, top 10 overall. Airflow scores were significantly higher than its closest competitors at this price point. On carpet deep cleaning, it was above average. Next Pit, after head-to-head testing against Roborock and Dreame flagships, concluded that Ecovacs had done the seemingly impossible, joining the best robot vacuums at the very top of the category. The roller mop uses a rotating mechanism that continuously moves outward during cleaning, scrubbing floors more thoroughly than standard spinning pads. The Zero Tangle 2.0 brush uses comb-like structures inside the housing to actively resist hair wrap. After a 60-minute combined vacuum and mop session in testing, the battery held a 61% charge. Excellent stamina. The 6,400 milliliter AH cell genuinely delivers. The dock auto empties, auto washes the roller mop, and dries it completely. AI intelligent hosting learns your cleaning habits and adjusts schedules automatically over time. Map management is now on par with Roborock and Dreame, which NextPit specifically called out as a major improvement over previous Ecovacs generations. The honest downsides, it runs louder than Roborock and Narwhal equivalents on higher suction settings, and on very large homes it may require a mid-clean recharge. The MSRP sits at $1,169.99, though it's frequently discounted, and multiple reviewers noted it typically drops below $1,000 within months of release. That's flagship performance at a price the competition isn't matching right now. Best for buyers who want true flagship suction and roller mopping at roughly 20% below what competitors charge for the same tier. Number 1, and based on the data, it's not a close call. VacuumWares tested over 150 robot vacuums and gave the Dreame X60 Max Ultra complete a composite score of 4.08, the highest of any flagship they have ever benchmarked. It held the number 1 position through multiple new competitor releases in early 2026, including from Dyson and Shark, and it's still sitting at the top as of May 2026. Here are the numbers that earned that position. 35,000 PA suction. A 3.13-inch retractable LiDAR chassis that drops flat enough to fit under furniture other robots simply stop in front of. In obstacle avoidance testing, it detected and navigated around 22 of 24 objects. And its OmniSight system recognizes over 280 obstacle types, including objects as small as 1 centimeter. In the pet hair pickup test, it scored a perfect 100%, Carpet Deep Clean scored 89%. For single threshold climbing, it cleared 51 millimeters in lab testing, tied for first place in that category across every tested model. The mop system uses dual spinning pads with 15 newtons of downward pressure, warmed water delivery, and 21.5 millimeter mop lift over carpet, double what the Eufy E25 offers. The dock washes mop pads at 212 degree outbursts, auto refills clean solution, and auto empties. The robot runs at 55 decibels in standard mode, roughly the sound level of quiet rainfall. The 6,400 mAh battery fast charges from 9% to 80% in just 80 minutes. The one real practical limitation: the dock is large. Reviewers consistently flag it. If your laundry room or utility closet is tight, measure the footprint before you order. MSRP is $699. But here's the real-world case for it, the one that closes the decision. Every other robot on this list wins in one or two categories. The Roborock handles pet hair best. The Ecovacs has exceptional suction value. The Eufy wins on price to performance. The X60 Max Ultra Complete scores at the top across suction, carpet cleaning, pet hair, mopping, navigation, obstacle avoidance, and automation simultaneously. No other model in 2026 does that. That's what a 4.0 composite score means across 150 tested robots. That's what number one looks like. Best 4. Homeowners who want the most complete, fully automated robot vacuum available right now and are not willing to compromise in any category. So there it is. 6 robot vacuums, real independent test data, and the honest trade-offs on every single one. No sponsored picks, no fluff. If you're still on the fence, drop your floor type and budget in the comments right now. I'll point you to the right pick personally. A thumbs up takes 2 seconds and helps other buyers find this video instead of wasting money on the wrong one. All links are in the description. Thanks for watching.